Wike is not responding to treatment. The man is not responding to treatment at all. That is what we are hearing now. Wike is not responding. The drip in his body, for the drip to go in, the drip is pumping at back.
My people, where is Wike? Some people are saying something and we don't understand. Why are you online saying something like this? Wike, please come out. Oh, you are supposed to be in Bayelsa today. Wetin happen? We know say you know they run for fights. I been a small diggy you go they run for.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You're welcome to this Facebook page and YouTube channel. Okay guys, let's go straight down to this news. You know, we did a video concerning Wike. Wike was rushed to American hospital in France because he collapsed yesterday. And I talk about this news. Come to my comment section. Look at the way people are crying under the comment section. Oh, it's a lie. Wike did not this. Wike did. See, it's so unfortunate to see that some of you, your brain has been shut off by this so-called Bola Ahmed Tinubu regime. And I can see many of you that are supporting Wike are here telling me it's a fake news, is this, is that. See, it's crazy to see that you guys hardly before you guys believe what's going on in Nigeria. I will play you guys a video to hear from Isaac Fayoshe. He has come outside to say, where is Wike? Because apparently, Wike was supposed to go to Rivers State today. Wike was supposed to go to Rivers State today. What happened? Wike is nowhere to be found. He's not in Rivers State. So, when we tell you guys something, I don't know why you guys find it so hard to believe. Now, just listen to this video. Hear this video. Hear what Isaac said. Then you will know that everything said on this platform, I said for me to bring life on me, I better not do news. What I want life for? Like I don't get it. And the news that is circulating now, Wike is not responding to treatment. They don't want to tell you guys. They don't want to tell you that Wike is not responding to treatment. They will put drip in his body. For the drip to be going inside, the drip will be returning back. When I know what that's in me now. When I know what it mean. The man is not responding. So they are trying so hard, make the man not buy. Make him not buy. You will come here and be saying, it's a lie, it's a fake news. See, Nigeria, I don't know what to chop on our brain. Some of them are not all. Because sometimes the way you guys behave, it annoys me. It annoys me. And I will appreciate many of you that understand that, okay, not that we are saying it because, okay, Wike, we know that Wike is a wicked fellow. But we are not saying it, oh, because this man is wicked, we want him by. No. It is what happened that will bring here. Make it not bow, then make it suffer. Make Wike, let that man suffer. For what he has done in that country called Nigeria. For the evil he has done in Nigeria. Let him suffer it. He was supposed to be in Port Harcourt today, which is Rivers State. And I know what he won't go do for Rivers State. Do you? Okay, let me just first of all play you guys this video before we put our take. Watch this video.
Hello, my people, where is Wike? Some people are saying something and we don't understand. Why are you online saying something like this? Wike, please come out. Oh, you are supposed to be in Bayelsa today. Wetin happen? We know say you know they run for fights. I been a small diggy you go they run for. Wike, where are you? Come out now. And you this online people where they talk something. Make you now verify the video well, the gist well before you spread out. Where is Wike? Wike, please come out. Come and tell us where you did. Don't mind the online chingom people. Okay?
You see, none that this man don't know. Isaac Fayoshe know that Wike was rushed out from Nigeria yesterday to France hospital. He know. So he's just mocking those ones that are saying, hey, it's a lie, it's a lie. Okay, why is that Wike? Wike was supposed to be in Bayelsa today, yeah? He was supposed to go to Bayelsa, which is Governor Odiri's state. You know, I did a video yesterday telling you guys that the governor of Bayelsa state warned Wike, they don't want to see Wike in Bayelsa. If they see Wike in Bayelsa, they should arrest him. So Wike was supposed to be in Bayelsa today. He was supposed to be in Bayelsa today, and Wike is nowhere to be found because they have something doing in Bayelsa today, Saturday. Wike is nowhere to be found. Where Wike they don't rush and go American hospital for France. Now, according to the story now, Wike is not responding to treatment. The man is not responding to treatment at all. That is what we are hearing now. Wike is not responding. The drip in his body, for the drip to go in, the drip is pumping at back. I remember when my father buried RIP, when they put drip in his body. For the drip to go inside, the drip was pumping out. So we got to ask the doctor, what did happen? The doctor got to say, you know, doctor, he said this, he said this, he said. Before my dad buried RIP, I just know that was 2006, September. I know. So what is wrong with Wike now? I've seen it before. I've seen it before. So for those of you coming here to write nonsense, because it is PK that brought the news out first, it is fake news. Go to blogs. They are posting it. Is it because when they put it on write-up, when I make video out of it, it is a fake news? But on blogs, it's not fake news. It's not fake news. Make jealousy pauna there. Jealousy go pauna. I said jealousy will buy you guys. For those of you supporting APC, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and this so-called, do you guys know what Wike has done in Abuja? People are homeless. This man sees himself as mini God in Nigeria. Wike, he sees himself as mini God. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, see, the both of them. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he is supporting Wike for the atrocity this man is committing in Nigeria. He's supporting Wike. So do you guys know if Wike going to Bayelsa State today, Saturday, was to do something that will cause big problem in the state, and God got to say, hey, Wike, you are going down. Anything make what happen to her. Anything make what happen to Wike happen to Wike. Wike has done more harm than good in that country, Nigeria. Wike has done more harm than good in that country called Nigeria. Yesterday, the immediate past head of state of Rivers State lied on Sifu Fubara, who planned everything. Wike and Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they hold down my whole stage. It is when Wike collapsed, they freeze down man, because when the wife was crying, my husband, at that time, Wike has not collapsed. So, God has his way of doing things. God has his way of doing things. So, don't come here and start writing, it is fake. I just insult one person where just, as I post the video, somebody just came, PK and fake news. When I know this news is not fake, it's everywhere. Bro, I curse your papa, and I thought I will fire your papa. True to God. Because I hate when something is going on in Nigeria, and I bring it here for you guys to see what's going on. And somebody with their mind, poor mind thinking, will come here and write fake news. You guys, see, for those of you writing fake news, you guys are stupid. It seems you guys like what is going on in Nigeria. What Wike is doing to people in Nigeria, it seems you guys like it. Wike not respond to treatment. He's not responding to treatment. I want Wike to come back. Yeah, don't get me wrong. I want him to come back, but you see that paralyzed when they say won't paralyze, make it paralyzed, make all your body paralyzed. Let him feel what the citizens are feeling in that country. That's what I want him to feel. I don't want him to buy now. Wike is just too young. Wike is too young. It should be 60, 60 something, if I'm not mistaken. Wike is too young. I don't want him to buy now. He should come back, but paralyzed, as they said. Let him feel and taste from the pains of Nigeria. We know he has money, no doubt. They will employ people that will be taking care of him, you know. We understand. But you see that pain, that you cannot walk, that you cannot do things on your own. Bro, feel it. Because most of these people that you drove out from their house in Abuja, many of them cried. Many of them swear for you. Many of them cried. See, as we speak now, people on the streets, a lot of people now, as we speak, they are living in the streets of Abuja. They are living in the street of Abuja. Who caused that? Wike. Wike caused it. Because of what? Demolition, seizing people's land, this, that. And you left Abuja, you still came down to Rivers State and be fighting for Bara. And you think God will just watch you do all these things. Our God is a merciful God, we know, but our God is he's a verse. Do not provoke our God to anger. He's a verse. Oh, it seems you don't know that God is verse. Blessing, you don't know say God is verse. Now small you just to touch you now, Wike, take calm. He no buy you, God no buy you. Our God don't buy. But he say take calm, feel the pain. What you are giving to people, feel it. Feel it. So for those of you coming here to write nonsense, I believe you understand. Isaac Fayose will not lie. He tried to say, for those of you, have you confirmed it? Yes, we've confirmed it. Not just confirmed it. People inside Asorock, they are bringing the news out for us to see what's going on. Wike collapsed and he was rushed to America Hospital in France. And as the issue is going now, the man is not responding to treatments. He's not responding to treatments. I just want to let you guys know that this man is not responding to treatment at all. So for those of you coming here to write nonsense, know what you are writing. Know what you are writing on my platform. Okay? So guys, I will end this video. Please share this video. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. As you do so, God bless you. See you guys in my next video. Stay safe, guys, and bye-bye.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Wednesday, 26th day of March 2025. Day before yesterday, that is 2 days ago, there was a report from Sahara Reporters and other organizations that went for the findings and discover that unherdsmen attacks has displaced over 7,000 persons, forced over 1,000 children out of school in Enugu communities. Okay, the Civil Society Coalition were the ones that were able to gather this figure and the communities from which all these things happened. Now, before now, especially during the time of Goodluck Jonathan, Buhari regime, I used to hear about out-of-school children from the northern part of the country because of the Alledgely, people who don't have father, who don't have mother, they don't even know where they came from. Okay, I thought that was the reason of the outnumbered out-of-school children in the northern part of the country. Now, I think there is a new meaning of out-of-school children. For over 1,000 children to be out of school in Enugu, it means that there is something more than Alledgely that has to do with out-of-school children. Now, I made a report about 5 days ago. If you have been following me, you will know what I'm talking about. I reported that IDP camp will soon be in Enugu State. I did not say it because I wish it to be there. I'm not saying it because I want it to be there. No, never. I am saying it because of the collective, intelligence report of what has happened and what is about to happen. Okay, now just imagine that herdsmen attacks has displaced 7,000 people from Enugu autonomous communities. 7,000, your community where you came from, is it up to 7,000 persons in it? 7,000 persons displaced has formed almost 3 IDPs. Okay, maybe these people will find shelter because Igbos used to build houses in villages. They can go to neighboring village or neighboring town, they will find people who will shelter them. Because if you go to all the whole villages, Igbos build mansions, build houses. So imagine if there is no shelter for these 7,000 people, of which I don't know if there is shelter for them. They will go to IDPs. Do you see where what I said before is coming from? And all this thing is happening. The news media that went there to report, all of them ran back because of the Fulanis. They kidnap people, they take people there, they keep people there. The government knows that the Fulani herdsmen are in Ahamefu, all these issues on local government. They know what they are doing in the bush there. They don't want to talk. And maybe after 2 years, after they must have achieved their aim, maybe they move to another location, you will see scores, dead bodies there. Some persons will still come to tell you that it is ESN and Biafra agitators. This is what we are seeing, and we must continue to say it. Now, let us go into the report from Sahara Reporters to know what actually happened. And where are the 7,000 displaced persons coming from? Where are they now? The out-of-school children, what is the hope for them? Stay with me. Now, the report says that armed herdsmen attack displaced 7,000, force over 1,000 children out of school in Enugu communities, civil society coalition. And this is the details of the article. It reads, over 1,000 children have been forced out of school due to the ongoing crisis in Abo Isianda and Ihenyi communities in Eha Amofu issues on local government area of Enugu State, Nigeria, according to a coalition of civil society organization. The coalition comprising the South Saharan Social Development Organization and the Justice Development and Peace Commission stated that the crisis began in 2022 and has displaced at least 7,000 residents, resulting in the loss of lives, business, and properties. Stay with me. You will understand what led to this crisis of Fulani terrorists killing the community, chasing them away from their ancestral land. Okay? Now, speaking to a joint press conference in Enugu, the coalition attributed the displacement to repeated attacks by armed herdsmen attempting to graze in the area. This is also the same reason why Enugu community Benue communities, a lot of them are deserted. A lot of them, nobody's in the community. Everybody has been, chased out of their ancestral land. The same thing they have brought to Enugu. Sahara Reporters recently reported that women from the 7 autonomous communities in Ehamofu staged a protest after a final year student was killed and a woman was raped while returning from the farm. You saw the protest last week, right? Where the whole women gathered and they were protesting. And after their protest, one useless local government chairman went to Arise News to tell them that there was no attack. I challenged the local government chairman, the governor Mba, go there. You see, the issue of insecurity is not a propaganda thing because you see it reality. The issue of insecurity is not what you can come out to say, the economy is growing or the economy is not growing. That one could be debated. You don't debate the issue of insecurity. You don't debate it. Why? It is affecting people direct. So there is no time for you to lie about the issue of insecurity. You go there. Go there. If you have the guts, go to that community if they will not kill you. So this is the issue of lying, the issue of trustworthy that the politicians don't have because of peanuts and so on and so forth. They forget that we are still going to live this morning. We are going to live this morning and die. We came to life, we brought nothing, and we are still going to go without nothing. But people don't think about those things. Now, the article continues that the coalition condemned the escalating attacks, which they said have claimed hundreds of lives and devastating business and property. They revealed that over 1,064 children remain out of school, while only 456 have managed to return since the crisis began. 1,064 children out of school. What is the Enugu government doing about that? I don't really know. The director of this organization, JDPC Enugu, Reverend Father Donatus Onuigbo, stated that the situation in two communities and other surrounding communities is not just a tragedy, but an ongoing humanitarian crisis that has left countless families broken and displaced. Okay? The Reverend Father, who is the head of this non-governmental organization, is the one talking now, okay? Onuigbo, that is the Reverend Father, added that many have left their farms and businesses. He said, now, here is his exact words. These communities have endured brutal attacks and have spiraled into violent confrontations. And herdsmen and their collaborators have wreaked havoc, driven communities from their homes, and upended the lives of those who once thrived there. Now, there is a word I want you to mark there. And herdsmen and their collaborators. The word collaborators, you know what it means? Who are those who are colluding with them? That will also lead us to what T.Y. Danjuma said, that the government are colluding, the military, the police are colluding with the armed herdsmen to commit ethnic cleansing against the people. That was army head, laying an allegation on them. And that is what is happening. Now, what makes the crisis, the father continued, what makes the crisis even more disturbing is the disproportionate impact it has had on women and children. They bear the brunt of this violence in the most horrible way, including facing hunger, diseases, and physical assault. Some women have suffered brutal sexual violence, and children who should be in school are now left traumatized, displaced, and deprived of an